A technique to overcome beat block is to organize and review your sound library, which I've experienced firsthand. I totally get it if there's like too many sounds and you're kind of getting like overwhelmed by like which sound to pick. I got my go-to sounds now because I shrink that down because I know where to pick and what sounds to look for. But if you got a lot of sounds that you like, get like a core one that you always mess with. So you can go ahead and review your sound library. And I'm not saying like delete these files, but maybe like remove them from your DAW. So maybe all you got is like your go-tos. And that way you can just put sounds in your DAW and you just make good sounding sounds faster. And just make good sounding music faster because now you got your go-tos. That's all you're looking at. So